chemicals in your house. That does not mean you should mix them together. And anything you do here, or you see here today, please don't try to repeat. I have had quite a bit of chemistry training, and even then, like we talked about, some things do happen, and if you're not completely prepared to take care of that, or you don't know how to take care of it, it can get progressively worse. In this case, we had a little flame, and I knew exactly that we needed to pour water on it, so we did that, and it solved the problem. But sometimes flames don't go out with water, and that's actually worse to pour water on them. So, we're going to turn water into wine here. We have 3 chemicals involved. We have sodium hydroxide, we have phenolphthalein, and we have hydrochloric acid. So let's see how well this one works this out. Okay, pretty good color there. Now I'm going to turn it back into water. Still a little pink, and there it goes. That one worked great.
Mm-hmm.
I will take that. Okay. Let me get my chemicals out of the way. The next one we've got here is not the one that caused the fire problem, but it does have a little flame involved. This one is called green fire. And let's see. Give it a second. There's a little more green there. Okay, so write any observations you see. I will tell you in this one we had 2 chemicals involved. Had isopropyl alcohol, and we had copper sulfate, which is a blue crystallized solid. Let that one go for a few more minutes. While that one's going, I can go ahead and get the other ones started here. Okay, I have a bag of dry ice here. Does anyone know what dry ice is? Say it out loud if you know it.
It's like really cold ice.
No?
It's so cold it burns.
Well, it burns, yes, but it's not ice, it's not water.
Goes in nitrogen.
Not nitrogen. Yep.
From carbon dioxide.
There you go. Nitrogen is actually extremely cold even in a liquid form, so I don't even know what the temperature would be to get nitrogen to freeze. Let's see if I can get one smaller over there.
I've got a hammer. You need it? Oh,
Nope.
never mind.
There we go. Okay, so on the right here, I'm going to get a bigger piece for that. This one on the right is going to be called Crystal Ball, and the one on the left will be called Little Smoky. Although they're both smoking, so here we go. Let's see if we can. This worked really great last hour.
I just love that sound.
I know,
Sounds so
it's really
sciencey.
peaceful. You guys are fortunate. The first 2 hours got my warm-up period, which was not good. So. There we go.
Now remember, you're starting to decide. Both of them, consider both of them together. Physical change or chemical change, and why.
They both have the same chemicals involved, so
You just have some red food coloring in Little Smoky, right?
yes, that's just for fun.
Well, give it a minute here. Usually when you stretch the surface area of a bubble to a specific point, what usually happens? Yeah.
Hey Josh, in my car. Is there water in it? No. Katie told me this last time. I thought there was water in it, and then the water.
Okay. Now, the next one we've got here dollar bill. And the chemicals involved in this one are isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, salt, and water. And since I'm a college student and I'm so very rich and
Aaron,
wealthy,
Move your paper.
it's right over here. I'm doing right here.
Did you add salt to it? Because I didn't a while ago,
You didn't
remember?
add salt? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Let me add some salt. There it is. No, it just makes it better. It would have still worked. We actually did it last hour without the salt. Like I was saying, I'm a wealthy college student. You know, we have so much money in our pockets. It's textbooks. I just like to burn money, so.
Make it your pain fire. It's like life.
Didn't burn. Oh well. There you go.
Physical change or chemical change?
And finally, this one, in case you had a large animal and you need to brush their teeth, it's called elephant toothpaste. We actually had some better chemicals to use, or we were going to get some better chemicals to use for this one. Would have made it much more fun, but we didn't get them in time, so we'll have to stay with the Sorbot brand here. Hydrogen peroxide and yeast and bubbles, or soap.
And some blue food coloring.
And some blue food coloring for fun.
It's my favorite.
It's like it stops right when it gets in. It kind of did on the last one. It finally went over. It's getting kind of concerned, but
That one's kind of doing the same thing. Just hovering and over it goes.
Just like a slow.
All right, physical change or chemical
so you
change?
got quite a bit to think about here. When we come back and you guys are when we discuss each one, I do want you guys to, if you